Hey everyone, I was having a nice chat with a friend the other day, and some interesting concepts came out of that discussion. So today I'd like to compare notes: vacation planning versus estate planning. I know, interesting, but we're going to get into this in a second. I'm Valerie Zammitti of Zammitti Law, an estate planning attorney in New York and New Jersey, and we provide peace of mind to families through our high client value estate planning and probate administration services. We really take the value we provide seriously and add to it every week. If you're seeking assistance for either of these areas in New York or New Jersey, you can reach us, for a free consultation at yourplanningattorney.com. That's yourplanningattorney.com. And speaking of value, we are here to educate everyone for free. So please ask your questions and share so together we can help some folks along the way. So a really, really quick comparison between vacation planning and estate planning. So odd, I know, but you'll get it in a second. If you can plan an intensive trip to Disney with 4 different parks, transportation, 17 restaurant reservations, hotel stays, 42 character introductions, 3 fireworks shows, and every parade on the half an hour, then you can plan your estate. In fact, it's so much easier. And I've done both. Most would agree the hardest part to either of these is always the first step, the decision to do it. Sure, going somewhere is more fun maybe than talking to an attorney, but both do something really terrific for your family, right? A trip gives you time away together, a break from work, perhaps to get some new weather in your life at that time of season, etc. But a proper estate plan can ensure the protection for yourself, your family, and your assets throughout your lifetime, right? So a trip, again, always fun. It can be stressful. It can be tiring. It does come to an end, and often it leads to more work when you get back to the office, right? On the other hand, an estate plan, which should be able to be completed in a few easy steps, simply provides you with lasting peace of mind. And that's our focus when we're helping clients of ours. And by the way, you can create a really great estate plan with the ongoing guidance from a qualified law firm for less than a cost a trip to Disney. That's for sure. Firms like mine have eliminated the daunting feeling of taking the important step forward of speaking with an attorney. First, we're showing up for you in free education like this so that we can appear to be our human selves, right? I know that folks are hesitant to talk to an attorney, either because they feel like they might be charged for every minute they're chatting, or don't want to take too much of their time. And while time is valuable, we're here to help, and we're just like you. So it's okay to have a question, ask those questions, and be serious about the plan that you need for your family. Secondly, many of us, such as our firm, offer a free consultation. And that should also take some of the pressure off. It's just a chat to see how we can help you reach your goals. But also, it is important to keep in mind, the time of attorneys, when we're giving it away for free, of course, we don't want to, because we can answer questions in this format pretty easily for the masses. But we really want you to be ready to protect yourself and your family at the time that we're having that discussion, right? You want to be certain that you're ready for that process. That doesn't mean the first attorney you're going to speak to is going to be the right fit either, right? So if you can chat with more than one, that's a really good idea. So you can get a sense of their character and whether or not they're a good fit for you. But you could do that also by watching these videos if they have them, or listening to their podcast. Of course, checking out their website online and Google reviews, all of that is super helpful as well. So when you get to the stage of having that conversation, you're pretty assured that you want the guidance from someone to move forward. So again, Disney is fun, a little stressful, especially in the planning stage. But planning estate planning is definitely worth your while to protect yourselves for your lifetime, and to have that support going forward as life shifts. Okay. So again, I'm Valerie Zammitti of Zammitti Law. We're an estate planning law firm in New York and New Jersey, and we provide peace of mind to families through our high client value estate planning and probate administration services. You can reach us at yourplanningattorney.com should you need a consultation. We hope you've learned something new here today. Please don't forget to share and take care.